Good morning, my dear student. Now, we try to complete the numerical part from your NCERT book. And the sub part of this chapter is the reflection of light by the spherical mirror. Clear? From your NCERT book. Not by from your choice. Suppose one question from your NCERT book, question number 2. Question number 2. Page number 185. Question number 2. The image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual. So, from your memory, you know it, virtual image, concave mirror. You draw it. This is the concave mirror. This is the pole of the mirror. This is the focus of the mirror. This is the center of curvature of the mirror. So, from your memory, if you put it, the object in between the pole and the focus, one ray from the top of this object parallel to the principal with the principal axis and then return means the reflected ray will pass through the focus. You know it. Okay? So another ray, if you consider it, the ray passing through the center of curvature with the help of the pen and pencil, not pen, with the help of the scale, compass and pencil, not free hand. Now try to draw this diagram with free hand. So this side will be enlarged. So that side will be try to meet a point. Okay? You know it. This is the virtual image and enlarge. You know it. From your memory, you know it, the diagram is this type. So, now you check your question. The image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual. Only possible when you put this object in between the focus and the pole, that time the image will form virtual, backside of the mirror, and enlarge. Erect and larger than the object. Okay? Where should be the position of the object? Where should be the position of the object? So you know it from your memory, from your diagram, you know it. Which one the correct answer? Between the principal focus and the center of curvature. Between the principal focus and center of curvature. You know it. If the object is placed in between the C and F, image will form behind the C and real and enlarge. So, first one is not correct answer. Second one, at the center of curvature, you know it. If the object is placed at the center of curvature, image will form at the center of curvature and same size and real nature. So, second one not the correct answer. Beyond the center of curvature, if you put it the object in beyond the center of curvature, image will form in between the C and F. In between the C and F. So, it cannot be possible. So, first, second, third, both are wrong. Fourth number, you check it. Between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus. Between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus. So, fourth one is the correct answer. Fourth one means D is the correct answer. Am I clear? D is the correct answer. So, you check it, you draw it, and you will be clear. Otherwise, you cannot try to remembering method. Next. Suppose question number 5. No matter how far you stand from a mirror. Suppose this is the mirror, you stand here, you consider this or your position is this or that, means as the nearer to the mirror or far from the mirror. Means no matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. Erect means erect, in human language are there? No. Erect means virtual. So, virtual image formed by the concave mirror, by the convex mirror, by the plane mirror also. So, first one you consider here, concave mirror. Concave mirror form the virtual image if the object is placed in between pole and focus. So, beyond the focus, the image must be real. So, it cannot be from the virtual always. So, this question answer is wrong. If you consider the concave mirror, so it is wrong. Convex mirror. If you put this object in front of the mirror, at any position in front of the mirror, the image will form virtual. But diminishing means smaller in size. So, it may be correct. For the plane mirror, if you put this object in front of the mirror at any position, the image will be virtual but same size. It is smaller size. So, both mirror can be formed the virtual image. So, you check your option. No matter how far for stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be plane, maybe concave, it cannot be possible, convex, maybe either plane or convex. So, D is correct. D is correct answer. Clear? D is correct answer. Next. Numerical numbers 12 already completed. You have been seeing your previous class. Now, you see the numerical number 14. Question number 14 means sum number 14. An object 5 centimeter in length is placed. Object height or length is 5 centimeter. Object height or length is 5 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. At a distance means object distance is 20 centimeter. Object distance is 20 centimeter in front of the convex mirror. In front of the convex mirror. Which type of mirror? Convex mirror. Convex mirror. of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Radius of curvature, convex mirror. So sign convention from your memory, convex mirror. So R is positive 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. So F equal to 15 centimeter. You know it? F equal to R by 2. So 15 centimeter. Those are given. Your requirement. Find the position of the image. You find out the value of image distance. Its nature. Nature means real or virtual, and its size. Size means height of the image. How can I find out it? This type of mirror means convex mirror. So object is here. Suppose you consider it, object is here. Object distance 20 centimeter from here, and this is the C. So from mirror formula, formula 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. You know it. 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. You know it. You put this data. You put the data. 1 by V is the required value. 1 by U means negative 20. 1 by F means positive 15. 1 by 15. You put it. So you simplify it. What will be the value of V? 1 by 20 plus 1 by 15. What will be its LCM? 20 and 15, LCM 60. 3 plus 4. What will be the value V? V equal to 60 by 7. 60 by 7. 60 by 7. So less. You check it. 17 Okay. So the value of V will be 8.75. V is positive. So, nature of image is virtual. Nature of image is virtual. Next part. Size of the image, you find out it. Size of the image, you find out it. M equal to small h by capital H equal to minus V by U. You put it. Yes. H equal to, H is the required value, capital H equal to 5, V equal to 60 by 7, 60 by 7, U equal to minus 20. So, H by 5 equal to minus 60 by 20 into 7. 3. So H equal to, how it is possible? Fifteen by 7. 15 by 7 means 2.1 30 4 22. So image height 2.42 centimeter. 1 minute. Check it. Chapter number 14, 8.6, 2.24. 2.2 दीजिए. 7 दुगुने 14, 15. इश. Sorry. 15, 1. Saturatas. 2.2 centimeter. 8.57. You check it and you try to complete the numericals in this method. It will be clear. And next numerical, number 15. So this numerical for your homework. Students, you try to complete it, the numerical number 15. That is the homework for your next day. So thank you my dear student. Any problem, you discuss it through your e-portal or any